Hey guys, I'm gonna show you what I have for Burgers and Tonkas today. But yeah, if you don't know what Burgers and Tonkas are construction trucks, but they're toy ones. Still kind of trying to get used to this. So that's Burgers logos right there. Sorry guys. I have a Burger tow truck, a Tonka crane, another Burger skid steer, Burger steamroller, Burger fence, Burger pallet, another Burger fence, Burger sign, which is right there, and then another fence, a giant Tonka dump truck, that weird thing, Tonka dump truck, which is pretty small. I have a Tonka dump truck over there, but I'll go show you, I guess, guys. So, I got a lot of brush hogging with a bunch of stuff. So there's that Tonka. It's flipped right now. There's a Burger attachment to my Burger bulldozer. There's a grappling bucket. So this is a Burger bulldozer. The rubber comes off. It's got a few crates, some pallets, a forklift, part to that thing right there. The bright yellow one. A Tonka pickup truck that I spray painted. I know I'm pretty bad at vlogging, but it's got little stripes on it. And now, time to come over here. Okay, so, and after I'll show you what I have for homemade. So I got these things, new Brit, Tonka, weird, some sort of thing, Kubota. Yeah, these are all pretty much just a bunch of broken stuff. That's all. It's just hard to explain. They've been outside for a long time. Another Burger fence right there. Then, I also, there's another fence, another one, and a street sign thing. There is a little shop that I did. It is called Whirlpool. So like Whirlpool your truck, and yeah. There's a Burger trailer, a Burger Jeep, and then also that's pretty much it for my Burgers and Tonkas and stuff. But I'll show you what I have for homemade. So there's just a bunch of sifted gravel that me and my dad made. We made a giant sifter. It's pretty big. Wrong way. Sorry, guys. How do you zoom out? Oh, sorry. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. That's how big it is. It can barely even fit in the screen. That's how big it is. It cannot fit in the screen at all. Then I have this homemade bridge. It's got a lot of sifted gravel on it. Pipe, PVC pipe, some wood. There is another homemade bridge. That's homemade right there. That's pretty much it for what I got. So, my daily posting things, hopefully my daily posting days will be, why is that right there? That little orange thing. Hopefully my posting days will be Monday, Sunday, I guess, sometimes, Wednesday and Friday. But yeah, I had a half day today, luckily. I got a Burger track right there. Some more railroad track for some trains that I got at Yankee Candle. very cool store. Yeah. Well, sorry. I'm still getting used to it. I'm still getting used to it. I promise. Bye. So yeah, bye. Peace. See you on the next one.